Okay, guys, so we are getting ready to have some company over this weekend. So I've got to do some deep cleaning in my living room as well as some just regular cleaning. So I figured I'd bring you along today. Okay, so I put my daughter to scrubbing the baseboards and my oldest son hanging clothes. That's typically their jobs. This is not a everyday thing. The baby was snapping and the toddler is on the couch playing his tablet. So it's very quiet in the house. I'm going to go get ready for Mom's night. All in all, I feel really good how it turned out, even though I lost some footage of me cleaning the TV area and all that. But got all the windows cleaned, all the cobwebs swept, baseboards done, vacuumed, all the furniture wiped off. A lot of deep cleaning done, some spot cleaning on the couch done, and I just really like how it turned out. I am going to change up this area, but on this I used the Method floor cleaner, wood floor cleaner. It didn't get that in the video, but you guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did want to see more, leave me a comment below.